requests how many meetings they have with the staff assigned to the collaboration?
I don't know. I think Dave Morbro is still here. He'll answer that.
Could I get an answer to that, please?
There's no formal log, no. I make regular visits and some spontaneous visits when I get calls for different subjects.
And you have records of when you've met with people?
I don't keep a formal log, no. We could put it together, I suppose, from my calendar and some other sources, my memory.
And from now on, you could do so.
I could.
Thank you. And then my final question from the ACLU is whether we could make the training curriculum available to the public.
I don't see why not.
No, it's quite straightforward. It's certainly.
Thank you.
I have really a question, sort of a basic question for the council members here, other than Commissioner Novick and I, when this April 2011 resolution was passed, and that is, are we getting the kind of information that you intended when that resolution was passed?
From my perspective, the answer is no. That part of why I voted for it was that I hoped we would get more information on what the GTTF is, and that whether I know it or not, you would not, and I don't know whether you said you didn't know about the recent investigation. That's a great concern to me.
Well, Mayor, since you posed the question, I deeply respect the fact that a lot of people have come before us today and have, in essence, urged us in the question before us is whether to accept the report or not. And a number of people have come before us saying, go revisit our original decision, and it was flawed. And that was the position many people took then and now, and I respect that. But the question is whether we accept the report. And the thing that I'm not clear about as I listen to Commissioner Fritz's questions is whether we have a problem with the report or a concern with the underlying resolution. My recollection is it's trying to strike a balance. The Council unanimously adopted a resolution which provided that two individuals would seek particular enhanced security level. That's the police chief and the commissioner in charge. By tradition has been the mayor's. And then we would have an additional protection of the city attorney's office reviewing, and I think that meant some level of security clearance. It was not my recollection that it was our intention that everybody in the council would seek some kind of security clearance and duplicate what the commissioner in charge was supposed to do as sort of a watchdog on this. Chief, would you like to respond to that?
Again, I work directly for the mayor as police commissioner on this. I briefed the mayor and did so with Mayor Adams on all of our investigative collaboration with the Joint Terrorism Task Force. So the mayor has, I think, a keen awareness of our participation in investigations.
But again, the point is, again, I'm not discounting